Shanghai Victory Auto Heat Transfer Manufacturing Company Limited is a Sino-U.S. joint venture established in 2006 in Shanghai, dedicated to providing automotive thermal management components and system integration. It belongs to the parent company, Reach Group. With about 2 decades of development, it has built a strong team integrating design, R&D manufacturing, and distribution. Reach Group currently has 7 branches in the USA, Mexico, Brazil, Canada, Germany, Russia, and China, along with 17 international warehouses, 12 in the United States, 1 in Mexico, 1 in Brazil, and 2 in China. We are setting up our European warehouse now. We take pride in offering comprehensive and efficient services, and we operate 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants located in Shanghai, Jiangsu, and Mexico. Our company supplies over 10,000 parts to major markets worldwide, covering auto engine cooling or air conditioning systems such as radiators, condensers, heaters, thermostats, compressors, evaporators, cooling fans, etc., and other high-quality automotive parts. Green energy production lines also began production this year. With our extensive supply chain resources, Reach is fully equipped to meet all your requirements for auto parts and provide you with a one-stop solution. Develop a new product or buy an existing product from the catalog, or be a distributor of our brand. Whichever way you may choose, Reach will support you and take you along the way to success.